How does the equipment menu in Dark Souls work? By default, each slot automatically selects the item in the first row of the respective category. This means that if you start the game and you try to equip, for instance, something in a weapon slot, the game will automatically jump to the first item in the weapon list. If you equip a weapon from a different row, the game will memorize the row for that specific slot and will now automatically select that row. This is reset after you close the game. However, the interesting part is that the game will share this information across all characters. This means that if you previously equipped a weapon from, say, the third row in the top left, weapon from the first row in the top right, weapon from the first row in the bottom left, and a weapon from the second row in the bottom right, this information will be accessed by any character that you create or load after this one until you select a weapon from a different row in that slot. As you can see, the game automatically jumped to the rows we've previously selected. It should be noted that the game will not override this information until you have actually equipped a new weapon in the given slot. This leads us to a couple of questions. First of all, what happens if you previously selected an item in your fourth row and then switch to a different character with, for instance, only 3 rows in that category? The game will try to jump to that row and will end up in the lowest row possible. In this case, the third row. And the second question, what happens if you equip an item and then drop it? The game will memorize that you equipped an item from that specific row. And the third question, what happens if you equip an item and then change the order of your items in your inventory? The game will still use the row that was previously selected. To summarize, each slot memorizes the previously selected row across all characters, and uses the item menu to determine which row is selected. That about sums it up. Thanks for watching.